Hello guys, this is our friend Cindy, and in this video I am going to review a system, a mini system that I have created like a year ago. So this system is created using Java, and as database I have created I have my SQL as a database. So first let's check if our database is already running. I have a potato laptop, so yeah, it's already running. Now we are going to open our project. Okay, so where is that project? What is the title of that project again? Oh yeah, this is it, the project 1 or proj 1. Yeah, so the naming system, or the my naming skills a year ago is kind of poor. So yeah, so open that, and we haven't even started and we got this error. So I don't know how to deal with that. Let's close that. And then let's just open the project itself. So here I've got many packages, and 5 of the packages are all about icons. So the thing is, I have separated all of the icons, so different package, different kind of icons, but this is all created like inside the Java package itself. So it's just it's not, it's not hiding inside icons. So I don't know, that's Java problem. So yeah, we got icons there, wallpapers. I haven't really used this wallpapers for some reason. And let's just jump to the main thing, which is the sauce. So sauce stands for sauce. I'm not proud to be able to. So let's check all of them. So first, let's start for the customer. Yeah, so yeah, this is the customer form that they have created. Its sole purpose is for adding customer. That's a basic design. Now, I'm not very good at designing, so I just get 2 colors, contrast each other, and then that's it. The next thing is, let's spin this. The next thing is the inventory. So this inventory is basically for adding item as well. Now let's go for the login form. Now the login form, as far as I remember, it's not finished at all. Okay, so I don't know, I don't have time left until I submit the project, and I haven't programmed this login, and it has crappy design, crappy outline here. Kind of sucks though. And the next is the mainframe. So the mainframe is the main frame of the program. So we are going to discuss the mainframe, or we're going to review the mainframe at the last. Okay, at the last, or the review at the last. The next thing is the methods for main. So this is not a JFrame form, it's a class. So it's a Java class, and it contains all of the classes. So we are using object-oriented programming here, and I know this kind of sucks. I use only one class and put all of the methods that in that class, and kind of sucks, honestly, because you can't find the certain method as fast as possible in this kind of setup. So it's kind of long, yeah, because I'm not really good at OOP. Here we go. So yeah, I've got like 1,300 lines of codes, and you can find a certain method um, in a fast way. The next thing is the pay bill. This pay bill is for paying bills. So it has a transaction ID, the invoice, customer ID, and the item total quantity thing. So it's all a matter of calculations and database. So yeah. Next is the register's form. And it's not even a form yet. Okay, it's not even a form yet. It's just a plain, it's a form, a plain J or Java form, but it doesn't have anything inside it. And the settings. So the settings is not really finished. Okay. And I don't know why, but I have programmed the settings before the register and the login form, but that's kinda bad decision for me. The next thing is the Jasper. I don't even remember how I have known this thing, Jasper. So it's for the reporting. Yes. Now let's go to the mainframe for program, and let's just run it to try it. Reviewing work of a year ago, it's kinda not refined in some ways, but I don't know. Let's see. So this is the main frame of the program, and it has its design simplified like this. So it has only two colors. It is dark mode default, so I really want to have a settings where I can customize the colors, but there is no time, and I can do it. So yeah. It's changing the text here, like what is this, purchase for issue transactions and items, but it doesn't have anything to do with the other three. Okay, so the next thing is this is the home. It has the purchase, sold, customer items. Oh, sorry. Where's that? And this one is supposed to be the point of sales. It has the chart, the sales, crop, the stock, and expired item, but I haven't really programmed any of this because I don't have time. The next is the item inventory. So that's it. So we are going to review this later. And next is the it's supposed to be like some tools that are available to your system, like you can take notes or of the customer's wants or needs. You can use calculator here and some item request to just pin it yourself and buy it later. So let's go back to the home. So in this home we have here the purchase. Let's check it. Yeah, it's the basic purchase. Basic. It's basic. You can find this in the internet. So yeah, it's that. The next is the sold. It has all of the records, the date, yes, total bill, balance, change of all of the records, transactions. The next is the customer. So you can add customers here. So let's try to add it. Customer, let's say ID 1. Oh, sorry, my keyboard is not actually. Yeah.